Today we're at Lost Island to experience the new roller coaster Fire Run. We get to hang out with some people and see what this park has to offer. Let's have some fun. We're here! They're testing it. So good. The theming already, just looking at this park, it looks so good. Like, it's amazing what you can do. This is a smaller park, but look at this. I think any park can be intentional at any size with what they do, and Lost Island is definitely proof of that.
Waterloo, Iowa. I've been dying to say that.
Cool.
My name is Atlas.
Atlas! Back to the coaster. I'm so stoked! How's the anticipation?
This place is insane. You don't see this at small parks.
You really don't. Like, it's so nice. Oh, wow.
I was here yesterday and able to
Oh my gosh, look at the line, guys. Macro!
What up?
Let's go. Okay, let's go! Oh, the first drop! Oh! And the inversions! Let's go! And I love how this interacts with everything. The air time. Woo! Let's go! Oh, we're about to do another drop! It interacts with the train! Oh, there we go! So good. Oh my god. You guys, short but sweet and powerful. Like everything you would look for in a ride. It's definitely a good thing. You guys are riding. So just rode the ride. It's pretty crazy. Like there's a lot of flips that came out of nowhere and it's very small, compact, but so good. And the theming is just on point. Oh man, I love it. Like this is like the starter pack for a person that just loves to do theme park. And like, I feel like I'm looking at what I imagine I would have made in like Roller Coaster Tycoon, you know, growing up. All right, we're gonna go to ride 2. Matugani.
Hey, are you guys ready?
Woo! Guys, that ride was small. It has an amazing punch. I feel like they put everything like in a big ride into like a small little area. The fact that I'm getting on this ride again shows you how smooth it is.
Trash can tripod.
Woo! So Fire Runner, what are your first thoughts?
Oh my goodness, it's awesome. I love RMC single rail coasters. I'm so happy Lost Island got one. This one's so much fun. The airtime, the inversions, all super amazing. Can't recommend it enough. Okay, our next ride. Oh, it does something?
You have to put your hands on it too. Come on.
I'm scared. What will happen? we tried to get it to work, but it did not work. Place both hands in stone, awaken volcano.
You gotta follow the lights. So
Oh, you gotta follow the lights. Okay.
Choose a big fountain.
Oh, she's a fountain. Dang it.
We would have stuck here for like 30 minutes.
Okay, apparently this is the one to ride. Ooh. Oh, it's nice to have theming again. Oh, let's go.
Volcano and save our home. But who is Volcano? A creature devastating fire and rage.
Oh, wow. I feel like I'm at Universal Studios or something. This is insane.
The altar in the Temple of Fire. You will find the statue far from here in the Forbidden Grotto to protect you on your journey.
Let's go.
Alright, you can put it right there.
Place Oratica on the altar and defeat Volcano.
Guys, that ride was incredible. It gave me Dark Castle. Wow, gave me Dark Castle vibes, which was really cool. Yeah, I'm so thoroughly impressed with this park on so many different levels. Katie won.
I don't know how it happened.
So you guys actually took the glasses, but we're gonna go back on the ride, so it's gonna be okay. I'm not gonna be crazy. So this is the one that I'm nervous about. It's the question: should I not do it? Park Bros is saying, don't do it.
I'm not riding it.
But part of me is just like, but if I did it, will this be the finisher? Okay, let's look at this one. I've heard this is a really bad one for the back. So often before I go on a ride, to make sure that my back's okay, I will just watch the ride and see how things are going. I think it looks kind of okay. So, we'll let John do it, and then we'll go from there. Up next, Nafuko. Guys, that wasn't bad at all. Like I was preparing for all hell to break loose. But compared to all the other ones that I've ridden of this is actually a pretty good running one. Now Kong, way rougher than this. So it was pretty good.
That was my first SLC with the new trains, new restraints. Awesome. A few moments on this one that really slap you, but I'd take those trains over a smoother one with the old restraints.
What makes this a intense drop tower?
The fact that it doesn't drop quickly.
Oh. Guys, this is so crazy themed. Oh, it even shows you the ride itself.
As we have been unable to stay more than
Look, are you guys all one group?
Us four.
Okay.
Okay, we did Power Tower. It was super simple, not too crazy, so it was good on the back.
Dude, there's no one on it right now.
How many times can I flip it though? That pretzel is humongous.
It's huge, and then you get all.
Okay, Caterpillar ride. I haven't ridden one of these in a while. Guys, this is what I have to do to get into these tiny ones. My first wacky word. This is so changed. Oh gosh. Struggle bus. Okay, I got it. I made it. So bad.
What do you think?
Oh, it was phenomenal. It was the best. three times. I dare you to jump on it. Gonna try some whalebone grill food.
Dang.
Oh. This place looks pretty nice. Pulled pork. Okay, so any food is welcome, especially new food. And this theme park food's pretty decent.
Okay.
It's spitting everywhere at me.
Good prices. The entrees are like $9 or $10. The sides are like $4 or $5, but you could get them or not. And they're good size. All the portions are good sizes.
Guys, the rock formation itself, it's like a rock dude in there.
And I am Vela, apprentice to shaman in the Mura realm.
In Mortal Realm, we're guided by fire. We're known for strength and courage and a warrior spirit.
Oh, this is a cool little Viking ship. So I guess it lines up so that you can shoot each other with the water. We'll make it nice and wet for somebody that goes through. But then you get as equally shot. Dig. That's awesome.
Hello friends, we want to thank you for joining us today on Akmodu, or as we may know it, the Lost Island.
Oh, we're going in. Are you trying to put the you don't have to put the seatbelt on. You don't have to put the seatbelt on.
What?
You don't have to put it on.
Oh, you said I don't. I thought she said because you're the height limit, you have to.
All of us trying to get a shot.
The group was in the worst. The group was in the most horrible position.